This is Doctor Strange. Here's my question. Have you had a trailer on your YouTube premiere?
Sasagutin ko ang tanong mo, Dr. Strange, after nitong video intro. Stay tuned.
You're watching Allen Online TV. Now your host, Allen De Leon.
Hi, si Allen De Leon to, and welcome to Allen Online TV. If this is your first time dito sa YouTube channel na ito and you would like to grow your YouTube channel, make money online, and build your online brand, then consider subscribing. Paki-click na rin yung bell notification, pati na rin yung all, so you won't miss any of our video tips, tricks, and tutorials katulad ng video na to. So why don't we get started? So what is a trailer? A trailer is a selected short video clips from your upcoming video premiere or yung video na in-upload mo scheduled for premiere. Ang purpose ng trailer is to inform your viewers na meron kang upcoming video. Hindi lang yon, it provides a glimpse or a preview of what your video is all about, creating engagement. Just imagine, hindi pa pinapalabas ang actual video mo, pero pwede na mag-react ang mga viewers mo by clicking the like or dislike button or commenting sa napanood nilang trailer mo. This is creating engagement. Once the YouTube algorithm sees na may engagement, you have its support and it will promote it to a much larger audience, helping your videos to get more views. Ang maganda sa paggamit ng trailer is you are giving your audience, your community, your viewers something to look forward to. In other words, meron silang aabangan na video mo, latest video mo na nakaschedule for premiere. Now, baka tanungin mo ako, ano ba ang premiere? Wait lang, pagtrabahuin natin si Friday, okay? Kanina pa ako nagsasalita eh. Friday, what is a premiere?
YouTube premieres are a mix between a live stream and a traditional YouTube video. You pre-record them, but then play those recordings live, with live chat and donations like standard live streams. Premieres announces what time your premiere will go live and shows an announcement for your video in your audience's feed before it goes live, giving them plenty of time to prepare to watch your content. Additionally, the opportunity to receive donations from your audience opens up a whole new avenue of revenue for creators on YouTube to make even more money from their content.
Thank you, Friday! So, why don't we head over sa computer screen ko para mapakita ko sa iyo kung how to add a trailer sa YouTube Premiere mo. Okay? Ready ka na ba? Alright, so let's go! Here we are sa computer screen ko. Ang nakikita mo ngayon ay ang aking YouTube channel. So ang gagawin ko is maglalagay ako ng video trailer dun sa isang video ko na nakaschedule for premiere. Okay, punta tayo dito sa upper right hand corner dito sa aking photo. I-click natin yung profile picture ko at pupunta tayo sa YouTube Studio. So now, punta tayo sa content. Click natin yung content at ito yung video na aking naka-unlisted or naka-schedule for premiere. Ayan, naka-unlisted siya. So, bago natin malagyan ito ng video trailer, kinakailangan munang mag-upload tayo ng video trailer natin for this video. Meron akong ginawang video trailer na 40 seconds, so i-upload ko lang ito ng mabilisan. Ayan, na-upload ko na ang ating video trailer. Ayan. So now, dito tayo sa aking video na nakaschedule for premiere. I-set up na natin yung trailer dito kay Epic Pen na nakaschedule for premiere. So, click natin yung unlisted. Then, i-schedule natin. Click yung schedule. Pili tayo ng time. Ang time na piliin natin is, ang best for my uploads is nasa bandang hapon, 4 o'clock p.m. And i-set natin as premiere. Then, set up premiere. Ayun, makikita mo, select trailer. Trailers can be 15 seconds to 30 minutes long and play until the countdown begins. Alright, so yan ang gagawin natin. So now, pwede na nating i-click itong select at eto mismo yung ating trailer. I-click na natin yan. And then, of course, click lang natin yung save. Then, ayan na. Naka-set up na yung ating trailer. Now, ang gagawin na lang natin, double check lang natin. So, I think everything is okay. So, click na natin yung schedule. Okay, there you go. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, kung makikita nyo, itong si Epic Pen, makikita nyo, premiere na siya. So, February 28, naka-schedule. So, click natin si Epic Pen na naka-schedule for premiere. And let's see kung may trailer na. May trailer na nga. Kasi makikita mo dyan sa, yan, nakita mo, nakalagay trailer. So, hindi lang yon, makikita mo rin dito na pwede sila mag-set ng reminder dahil it premieres in 25 hours. So, itong nakikita mo ngayon, this is exactly the video trailer of the scheduled video premiere. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. Kung may question ka naman, then scribble it down sa comment section and I will try my best to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification so you won't miss any of our latest video episodes. This is Allen De Leon. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now and God bless.
Thank you for watching AllenOnlineTV. Make sure to like this video, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video episode.